Once upon a time, in a dense, verdant forest, lived a peculiar creature named Newton, or Newt for short. Newt was no ordinary creature. He was a wise newt, revered by all in the forest for his insight and wisdom. One sunny morning, Newt found himself at the edge of a serene pond, gazing into its shimmering waters. A question had been troubling him for days, a question about the purpose of the forest, of life, and of their existence within it. As he pondered, a conflict arose within him. Part of him yearned to explore the world beyond the forest, to seek answers from creatures far and wide. The other part, however, felt a deep connection to the forest, and feared leaving it would mean losing a part of himself. One day, while lost in thought, Newt encountered an old friend, Honeybee, who had traveled far and wide in search of wisdom. Newt shared his dilemma, and Honeybee, with a wise smile, said, "Newt, the world is vast and full of knowledge, but remember, true wisdom comes from understanding the balance within." Newt pondered Honeybee's words, and in that moment, he made his choice. He would embark on a journey, not to leave the forest, but to learn from it, to understand its ebb and flow, its rhythms, and its secrets. So, Newt journeyed through the forest, learning from every leaf, every stream, every creature he met. He discovered that the forest was a mirror, reflecting the wisdom within him, and the more he learned, the deeper his connection to it grew. In the end, Newt returned to his pond, wiser and more in touch with his surroundings than ever before. He realized that the world beyond the forest held many mysteries, but the true wisdom he sought was within the forest, within himself, and within the balance of all living things. And so, Newt became a beacon of wisdom, guiding others through their own journeys, reminding them that the answers they sought were not always far away, but often lay within, waiting to be discovered.